You gonna fire that thing up
Do
or what?
some. Oh, I should, huh? Hi, I'm Trent Mercado. I work at KRUESI Originals, as most of you know. This is my 2003 anniversary edition dyno. We already did a walk around of this thing probably about a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years ago. A lot has changed since then. I just finished the 95 kit. The video is probably up already by now. You can watch all that process. Different. Got a step plate on the back of her now. It's been my stunt piece for a long time, for probably 2.5, 3 years. Been beating the shit out of this thing, which has been real good to me. She was smoking real bad for a lot of the time that I've owned it, so it was time to go through, give her a little fresh up. I don't remember what was done to it last time. I know it had an 88 last, so it's got a 95 now. Same cam chest, the 525 cam, fueling, OE plate, and pump. I got a stealth pipe on it now. I think I had the Cobra on it back then. Black head pipe with their H-bomb muffler. It's hammered because I suck at drifting. You know, whatever. It is what it is. It's a stunt bike. Ryan was nice enough to give me his FX-DX forks off of his 04 dyno when he went with the inverted front end. So I have DX cartridges up front. I Cerakoted the fork lowers myself. They kind of look like shit. Don't look at those. Pro One hooked it up with their trees. Willy Woo, getting me dialed with those. Pro One trees, they're the shit. 0 degree rake in them. They just provide a little bit better clamping force on the forks. Makes the front end a little more solid, and they look a whole lot better than the factory trees. As far as controls, I deleted my switches. I think I had the chrome switches before. Biltwell, throttle housing, Brembo RCS 19 Master. This thing is an absolute cheat code. If you're trying to do rollers or do any front brake drifting or any of that, that's the master cylinder you need. It's definitely worth the $330 that it is. I've got a different seat. Brandon Olympius over at Saddleman and Rachel Moore, which Rachel's not there anymore, but hooked it up with this Saddleman seat, got me all dialed and done up. Our classic tuck and roll gripper with our logo on the back, you know. Pretty much it for the old anniversary here. I absolutely love this bike. It's the only bike that I own currently. First time in my whole career that I've only owned one Harley Davidson. My favorite year dyna, just because the anniversary edition, I don't think you can beat that really. 02s are definitely a better year as far as like motor internals and stuff like that, but anniversary, dog. 100th anniversary, can't beat that shit. It sounds healthy. Yeah. For once. First time in this bike's life it's had a good motor in it. Now it's officially done. You've seen it here. KRUESI Originals. KRUESI Originals on Facebook. KRUESI Originals on Instagram. We are not on Twitter, but KRUESI Originals on your mom.